All right, so in this video, I have the latest pickup from the Nike Doernbecher Freestyle collection in the Air Jordan 3s, which complete my collection of the Air Jordan line. For 17 years, they've been releasing Doernbecher collaborations with Air Jordan, starting with the Air Jordan 2. And now in 2023, we have the latest and greatest one, the Air Jordan 3. This is the second time they've actually retroed the Air Jordan 3. All of the other ones have been singular, meaning they've only released one in every single model. So pretty crazy. They've also skipped the 11 so far, and we've seen a low top 5 and a low top 1. This is the first time we've seen a duplicate with the Air Jordan 3 though, and I'm happy to do a quick little review and show you guys these, but really just to give a nod to all the previous other designers of the Jordans as well as all of the other series, but primarily the Jordans for what I've been collecting. It's kind of what got me into sneakers in the first place, is just collecting Jordans. And this one adds to the complete collection that I have. Some of them are on display in the background, as you can see, but one of the funnest collections that I think I could ever own, and I'm so happy that I was able to complete it with the latest and greatest pickup. Shout out to my buddy PJ for opening me with these for retail. But in this video, I wanted to show you guys both of these shoes, since I did get two of the collection. But we'll start off with the Air Jordan 3s, because these ones, there's so many details that Hugo put on these Air Jordan 3s. Obviously, Seahawk inspired color.
My name is Hugo, and I'm 14 years old.
Air Jordan 3s.
Yeah.
Man, you got the Jordans this year. How does it feel?
It feels great. It feels amazing. Well, basically it's blue and green because my favorite team is the Seahawks.
Okay.
And I've been a fan of them since ever I was little. And the slime means the juice. So basically, my name in Spanish, some people call me Hugo, which in English is juice.
Oh, fire.
And that's where I wanted the name to be on the back of the shoe.
You have a lot of really crazy details. You have a sparkly slime green patent leather around the collar, on the tongue, around for the eyelets as well. And then a little bit of dripping, glittery, like ooze stuff for the paint on the toe box section, as well as the side panels and the heel. And then you have a translucent Jumpman on the back, so you could see the H, capital H back here for Hugo, and then it says Juice in gold. Love the details there. And then you have an embroidered Jumpman on the tongue in the blue and the gray. For the elephant print, I like that they actually kept elephant print on here. It's reflective though. It looks really good, and it's a subtle detail that when you see it, you're like, dope, these are actually reflective. Then you see this translucent green outsole.
My favorite detail is where on the bottom of the shoe, I said it's okay to be different because and people can do anything, anytime, and it's just okay to be different.
That's fire.
Yeah.
That's such a positive. How does it feel to be like your age and creating such a positive message for other people out there? They're gonna see that, they're gonna read that, and it's gonna inspire other people. Those are big words. That's a big thing, man.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you for doing that. That's really cool, man.
I appreciate it.
I shared this with my daughter, had a nice little moment with her, because she's like, what does this mean? And then I explained to her what Hugo was saying about this, and basically he was made fun of at school because he had port wine stains on his body, so he looked a little bit different. And I was just trying to let her know, it's okay to be different, like what Hugo said. And I love that he embraces it and that he shares it and empowers other people that might feel different. And it's a simple but beautiful phrase, and it's something that I just really, really think is dope. On the back side of the tongue, it says my hero, mom, and dad, and I love that he adds that on there.
And then on the other one, it says my hero is my mom and dad. And
I have two. We have two. This is my wife, Alicia. We have two kids as well, and that's amazing. He said, he says that on one inside of one of them, it says that his hero is his mom and dad. So that's so rad. We love that. What an awesome kid! Like, as a parent, it's just a really, really cool thing to see that his parents are his hero. On the other shoe, it actually says my hero, and it's blank, and that's because he wants us to be able to write in our heroes on the shoes. Again, a really cool detail, subtle and I love that they added it. On the insole is a beach theme.
The inside the shoe on the left one it's a picture of the Bahamas because that's a dream vacation for me to go.
Also, you do have two different colors of laces. You have the gray color that actually came on the shoe, and then I put on the green color, and I think that the green color does look better overall. I'll leave a comment in the comment section. Which one are you going to go with, gray or green? I think the green just works better with the slime, but excellent execution. I think it's really cool. It's a very original, unique looking pair of Air Jordan 3s. I think it's always a fun moment when the kids actually unveil their sneakers, and then the sneaker people out there like ourselves get a weigh in on what we like about what they designed and some of the things we gravitate towards. Not everything is going to be a home run to every single person, but I like that they put their own personality into a product and release it. And how can you be mad at that? If you don't like a shoe because it looks too childish, whatever, I have a feeling you probably need a hug because ultimately they are from children. The only ask that I would say from Doernbecher, though, is to release them in smaller sizes. A lot of times I like the pink pair of Air Max 90s I wanted to get for my daughter. She's like a 12C, but they didn't offer them in kid sizes. And it's like the perfect market that they're missing, in my opinion, for the Doernbecher series. Shoes that are designed for kids, but not released to kids. And I feel like that is like the big crux, because people like myself that have kids now, like I would be buying them like a whole bunch of different versions of these. They have GS sizes in some, but not smaller than that. And anyway, I wish that they did, especially for those fun, great looking colorways. They'd be a grand slam in the smaller sizes, in my opinion. Anyway, transition into the Go Flies. There is a lot of Japanese inspiration between the upper on this one with the waves and the clouds. You have that Nike swoosh with the extra outline on it as well.
My name's Christopher Muskis. It's like based off Japanese culture. So I want to go to Japan one day.
That's so fire. I can tell from the waves, it looks like waves from the ocean.
Yeah.
And then tell me about the logo on the tongue. It looks like a mountain or something, yeah?
Yeah, that's Mount Fuji, I think.
You got to be real proud of your work.
I am.
I'm proud of you too, man. Hey, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you again for chatting with me. Nice little layers of fused materials over top of the print, also giving a little bit extra dynamic. I like that they have like the ribbed little top section here in black, and then you could see the mountain with the sun. The inside liner being two different tones of colors, as you could see, with greens and blacks and yellows. On the insoles, the left shoe has footprints that are walking into a portal, and it also says smarter than you think. On the other shoe, it actually says smarter than you think, and the footprints are walking out of the portal, and then they are sitting next to his little panda buddy, and I thought that was just super, super rad. The panda hidden detail is just awesome. Then you also do have a panda paw on the heel that's embroidered, another nice detail. The Go Fly is, again, one of those shoes you can just snap in and go, and I don't know, it's just a really, really good pair of sneakers. I wish I could have gotten some of the other ones from the collection. Maybe I will add some in the future, but these are primarily the main two that I was hoping to get. But the whole collection was really rad again this year, and happy that I was able to secure a couple of them. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully we'll see you guys back here for some more sneaker content very soon, and I appreciate y'all for watching. Have a good one. Peace, guys.